So we are here at STS and we're going to be convened over the next 3 days. We've got about 30 people coming from 8 different countries and cities across the continent, across the African continent. And the idea for this workshop came about because we recognize the need for intersectoral partnership and collaboration to really start thinking about sustainable prevention of non-communicable diseases.
There isn't a single issue that affects humans that's unidimensional. Every issue that affects humans has multiple facets, multi-prongs, multiple dimensions. It is incumbent for us to have to work together in order to address the issues that human beings face.
I believe in the issue of positive deviance. I believe that there are good practices everywhere. In the worst situations, people find positive ways of dealing with the situation.
Actually brought to the forefront that we actually need to be intentional in the interventions that we do in order to address non-communicable diseases, and not just assume that by giving a person a house you are addressing the health element. So it's been a great opportunity because it has opened my eyes in terms of the benefits of the collaboration.
As we say through a lot of frameworks, and whether it's socio-ecological or social determinants of health, our well-being is shaped by the places that we play, the places where we school, where we work, where we pray, and it's in those settings that a lot of what ends up being our health trajectory is shaped across our lifespan.
Secondly, we recognize that in the context of rapid urbanization, we really need to think about the city as a system that can be pivoted for health.
We are all at risk, and the impact of everything that we do from all sectors would be able to get us on the right path of sustainable development or in the negative direction. So we don't have an option. That is the take-home that I have from this workshop.
If we can think proactively about how we're designing where people live, we're designing the direction that cities are going more intentionally instead of just haphazardly, then we have a big opportunity to create a society where people can thrive. And when people can thrive, then we can really have that potential that Africa has. Africa has a huge young population, and I think we can take advantage of it if we're proactive about planning the cities that they're going to live in.